continue. Let the heart sing too. What a wonderful afternoon beneath the sky so blue. Children are laughing beside the lane. Farmers return from the fields again. A distant cowbell softly rings, and the evening breeze begins to sing. Small home shining in the golden light. Everything feels calm, everything feels right. I drive along slowly